Now, how did Tiffany achieve his amazing color blends? You know, he was a master, really brilliant at experimenting with color. In fact, let's take another look at that window we saw earlier, Nicodemus coming by night. Take a look at Jesus' robe in this picture. Look at the shapes of Jesus' robe and how many blended colors there were. It's not flat. In fact, if someone were to ask you, what color is Jesus' robe? How could you answer? Purple? Brown? White? Blue? Well, Tiffany learned what chemicals and metals you needed to add to the molten glass in order to achieve some really amazing colors. And he did a lot of experimentation, kind of like how we have to practice. We might do it with a marker on a piece of scrap paper. He had to do it in a lab that was practically like a chemistry set. So he added gold chloride, and it made a very brilliant ruby red. He would add cobalt, and it would be an intense deep blue. He would add copper, and it would be a very light blue. You might not think of that. Copper is the coin. Our penny is made primarily of copper, and we think of it as being a brownish orange. But when the metal copper is added to molten glass, it makes the glass a beautiful light blue. If he would add iron oxide, then he would get greens and browns. And if he added tin, then it would become white. That's fascinating stuff. And Tiffany experimented sometimes into crazy hours of the night because he wanted his stained glass windows to be like nothing anyone had ever seen. He also experimented with what temperature you should cool the glass. Should it be very hot? Should it cool quickly or slowly? And should you fold the sheets of glass? And this is where he got such amazing variety in his stained glass windows. He was a master.